You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn the, some would say, correct pronunciation of this word that is originally from Russian. Of course, it is used in English as well. It's part of the English language. It's pronounced Tsar in British English or Tsar in American English. But how is it pronounced in its original language, Russian pronunciation? Tsar. So, Tsar, okay? You have a bit more of a D sound and then a Z sound, alright? I know, I'm not sure why it's spelled TS. It should be DZ or DZ. Tsar. And then you have to roll the R a little bit. Tsar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.